Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Septiani and my student number is 23021100026. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, now I will explain to you about the material on direct and indirect question. Okay, the first material is definition of direct and indirect question. Before that, what is the definition of direct and indirect question? Okay, direct questions are straightforward and usually involve asking something directly to someone. They use normal question order and are often preceded by question words such as what, where, how, when, and each other. But in indirect question are used when we want to be more polite or formal. They often start with words like could you tell me, like do you know, I wonder if, or I'd like to know. And for your information, in indirect question, the word order is the same as in statement, not question. Okay, next material is example of direct and indirect question. Nah, example of direct question like where are you going? What time does the movie start? And did you finish your homework? And but in indirect question, the example is can you tell me what time the meeting is? Nah, in indirect question, like for the material is uh can can you tell me or could you tell me, and for the example, can you tell me what time the meeting is? And then could you tell me where the bathroom is? That use can you tell me? Like can you tell me or could you tell me, can how you like how to. Okay, the next material is yes or no direct question if in indirect question. Now, if the direct question is a yes or no question, it has no question words such as what, who, when, where, why, or how. Then the indirect question will have if. For example, like uh, does Tom like Italian food? And in direct question, do you know if Italian do you know if Tom likes Italian food? Sorry, I have mistake on the throw. Okay, next. Indirect question, are your parents joining us for dinner? But indirect question, they use could you tell me? Could you tell me if your parents are joining us for dinner? They, and then indirect question, do they speak English? But in indirect question, I was wondering if they speak English. Okay, next. And D, has Barbara ever studied abroad? But in indirect question, do you have any idea if Barbara's ever studied? Okay, next. Nah, the next material is key differences between direct and indirect question. The first difference is indirect question are often used in more formal or polite context. And the next is the differences there and indirect question is word order. Indirect question the word order uh, in inverted auxiliary verb plus subject. And then, while in indirect question, the word order, sorry, I have mistake. Nah, while in indirect question, the word order allows the same pattern as a statement, and they use subject plus verb. And the last difference is between direct and indirect question is if the direct question is a yes or no question, we often use if or whether in the indirect question. Now, for example, is he coming to the party? But indirect question, can you tell me if he is coming to the party? Okay, in indirect question is use can you tell me, but in the direct question you can use is he coming to the party, like the example. Okay, nah, I think enough for my video and my explain about my material. I hope you understand what I explain, and I think enough for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.